I'm Matthew Hoddy. I'm the business manager here at Vailima Orchard and the Heartland Group. We farm apples on about 210 hectares here in Nelson. The business was founded in 1914 by my great-grandfather. He immigrated from London, where he found a newspaper ad in one of the London newspapers and started growing apples. With our apples, we're vertically integrated, right from growing the apples, storing the apples, marketing the apples, right to the end consumer. We want to keep ahead of the curve. We're standing here at the moment in what we call our V-trellis blocks, which are under hail protection netting and also on a trellis system to try and maximise yield. The challenges we're facing is, along with most other industries, is labour and utilising the labour we have. So part of my role, the technology is what I'm quite passionate about, and prior to the software we're using now, I worked really closely with the provider to develop it. So FreshGo started with timesheeting as a basic function and built its way up. So with the team timesheets and the incentive systems we run, when the supervisor explains it to the team, they know their targets. It encourages them to meet those targets as they get financial rewards themselves, and it also helps us with our bottom line and getting through the workload. We now do Spray Diaries through there, which give our certification to harvest. At harvest time, we scan the bins into our system, so each bin receives a bin card, of which we scan it to make it live, assign it to the picker. We may do samples on fruit and seeing if there's any picker defects or tree defects, and that lets us track through the system. We're about to run a pilot on QuipCheck, which is a machinery maintenance app. The operator, prior to use, does their machinery check, and it actually gets recorded in a database that will reflect and tell our in-house mechanic, hey, this tractor's getting close to service hours, or any issues that are highlighted by the operator. We use WeatherLink, which 2 of our orchards we have a Davis weather station. Operators who are spraying have the app on their phone or tablet. We're mostly concerned about wind because we have thresholds where we say if we're gusting above this, we stop. If we're constantly above this limit, we stop. If we know these parameters and we don't spray outside them, we feel we've covered the crop in the right conditions, and that affects the number of Class 1 apples that we can pick and export. For communications around the orchard, we're using walkie-talkies, handheld radios. We've sort of played around over the years to get the right balance of how we want our team to communicate and when, so that if teams are around, they know that Johnny's going to spray a block. They'll make sure that they're not there by mistake. We're always looking at different technologies, either digital or in-orchard technologies or at the pack house. So the main advice I'd have for anyone going down that path is do your research, talk to other growers that are using it, build it around your business because every business is different. We have a saying here at Vailima that we want you to take your time, do it once, do it right, so that we don't have to go back and fix issues.